lot of ministers before you have promised us a lot of things but never delivered. This is the first time in 12 years you have promised and you have delivered. Thank you very much.
Jai Shri Bab, because every time I approached him, he never said a word no. And today he has come here and he has made it happen for us. And thank you very much. Thank you.
दोन टर्माक आमचो आमदार आयल्लो आसा आनी मिनिस्टर जाल्लो आसा प्रत्येकान केन्नाच आमचे बोर्ड एक आयकलें ना पण 12 वर्सांनी वाता सुरू जाता हेजे वचून तो मिनिस्टर आमच्या ह्या वाड्यार आसपा जाग्यार केन्नाच कांय म्हणटा तो दिलो ना आमी दिसता MLA आनी कोण मिनिस्टर हो जो फर्स्ट मिनिस्टर हो आयला आनी आमदार जिखून आयला आनी हेणें ढवळेकाराक फर्स्ट हाडला आनी सेकंड तेणें आमचें फुलफील केला तेज्या बद्दल आमी तेका धन्यवाद दिता.
Pilen, Goan Paradise Gautam, Alto Pilen, and Alto Sangolda. Angasar asa, and Angasar. This is a beautiful and well planned area actually. And despite of being well planned, was neglected by consecutive dispensations. The eyes we are inaugurating. We are doing the commencement of hot mixing of the road after doing minor repairs, potholing and ekite kadun. But this was neglected for last, as I am told, that for last 12 years nobody even paid attention that the road has to be done. There were other problems like water. They still face the water problem, but we've managed to, by convincing the Honorable PWD Minister, amka hangasar ek moti pipeline galun dileli asa. I thank PWD Minister for that, and even for the roads. Within no time, like ek file approve karpa, it moves various tables and takes a lot of time. People don't understand that procedure. But still, living up to the word I had given to the residents of this area. We are doing the hot mixing of the road. Ata the next request asa ki हांगासर एक overhead tank जावची ज्याच्या कारणान उदकाचो जो प्रॉब्लेम आसा उदकाचो प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व जातलो. So basically paying attention to the basic necessities rather than cosmetic changes. We are paying attention to the roads, to the electricity and to the water supply. Electricity, we have already started laying cable which will connect Saligaon to Porvorim. Underground cabling चालू आसा. लोकांक मातशे त्रास जाता काम करता आसतना घरान धुल्लो बी वयता. So I would request people to bear a little, have little patience till we do up the road again for them. And utkache hangasar overhead tank ती जातली. Now in first phase we are doing one side of this area and dusri area second phase an घेतले. That will be done before the monsoon. So the residents need not worry about the other side of the road. Main road jatalo and one side of the road will be taken up in this phase. And the next phase will take up the other side of the road. As it is said that this is a beautiful area and it is well planned. So required amenities also have to be present here. Besides the roads and the other things, we will also look into the children parks, the playing areas, the open spaces which are left undone. So those areas will be taken up very soon. Cost of this particular work is 1 crore 30 lakhs, and the second phase will be taken for 7. So 2 कोटी roads मूलभूत सुविधा जी आहे रोडाची कामं आणि हॉट मिक्सिंग कामां असं सुरू जातात.